Hi guys, how long does fillers last? So if you're curious about dermal filler in general and talking about Restylane, Juvederm, keep on watching because I'm answering all your question about dermal fillers today. So I'm Madeleine Cassie. I'm the founder of Sparkle Lifestyle and Medispa. It's a medical aesthetic practice in Moncton, New Brunswick in Canada. And I'm also a clinical trainer. So welcome to my channel. Here I'm answering all your medical aesthetic question. This channel here, I'm talking usually about treatment, technology and all that. And I also have a second channel where I really focus more on skincare and how to treat your skin the right way. So if you are interested in what I have to say, please subscribe. I also have a Facebook group where I answer all your questions and all that. So today we're talking about fillers. I have a bunch of different video lined up. So just check the playlist. I just kind of pick the most frequently asked question and I'm going to answer them. And one of the obviously really popular question is all about how long does it last? To answer that question the right way, I first would like to know that all the products are not the same. When it comes to dermal fillers, the most popular brand are Restylane and Juvederm. Those are the ones that people hear about the most. There's different other one. There's also Baltero, Teostal. There's just tons of different brands, but I'm going to focus on Restylane and Juvederm today. So first, where you want to have your fillers injected will influence the product we are going to use and then how long they're going to last. My philosophy behind dermal filler, it's really about restoring the volume loss, the fat that you lost with the age, the bone structure that you lost over the years. And I'm not a big fan of putting fillers where your body never had hyaluronic acid in the past, because that's pretty much what dermal fillers are. It's hyaluronic acid. So you kind of need to start focusing on the foundation. So an example, you're coming here and you want to treat your nasolabial fold in this specific area. I usually like to look at, okay, so maybe you lost some bone structure here, and what about starting by adding some volume there? And maybe you lost some of that nice fat that you used to have in your cheek, right? And all that, make your skin dragging down more. And because when you start adding fillers, let's say in this specific area, you're not getting first the result that you're looking for. The product will not last as long, and then you may end up looking, a little different. So that's why we always start by, like lifting things where maybe your cheekbones and, your cheeks, and to make sure we support everything, that we're not adding more heaviness or volume, around your mouth. So example for this specific area here, this cheekbone, I would use a product. This is an example of Restylane Lift. The product is actually, it's a little bit harder. When we inject it, we will feel it, but it lasts longer, and that's what's nice. There's more projection into this product, and it's applied right over the bone, so it just lasts longer. So a product like Lift can actually last up to 2 years, because dermal filler they don't just disappear. They have like half-life, so they slowly kind of lost. Well, the hyaluronic acid is getting used by your body, naturally. So this, I would say, would last up to 2 years. Maybe you should do your touch-up maybe 9 months after the first time you're coming in, depending, because you don't want to wait until the product is completely gone, right? So I would say 2 years, and then you get your touch-up 9, 12 months, and then you would maybe maintain it every 6 or something like that. So that would be for a product that's more firm, that's pretty much trying to replace bone. Then you would have product, let's say, that have more volume, and I'm looking into here Restylane Volime. This product here maybe will not last as long as the lift that I just talked about, but maybe will have more volume, so you will not need as much. So if I would first, we would not build your cheek, cut all your cheek with lift, but if you're looking for something that, yeah, that have a lot of volume, that plumpness, a product like this one, they don't last as long, but you will not need as much, if that make any sense. So I would say same thing. It can last a year, I would say, and then you should come back every 6 to 9 months to just kind of maintain your results for a product like this one. Then I'm going to talk about lift that we love for lips, and also here I have Volbella. Those are two really nice products that we like to use around the mouth. And the reason why is because they're more flexible. You don't want something that's too strong around your mouth. You don't want to change your smile, right? And that's why those two products are really more flexible. They're softer, they're nicer around the mouth, they're not as heavy. But the thing is, because you move your mouth a lot, and then we want something that's flexible, that means they don't last as long. So technically they can be in your lips for a year, but usually we do recommend some top off every 6 months, because, and again, you don't want your lips to go up and down, right? You want to, you know, to have that nice and plump. So I would say that you should come get your injection for your lips. Usually it's half a syringe, and then you would kind of come back 2 weeks, a month after, maybe if you want more. And then from there, you would maintain your results every 6 months. So that's kind of for this specific product. Then you get into a product that we would be injecting really superficially. So something that we don't go as deep. They're really designed to really plump your skin, to boost hydration. We call them skin boosters. Skin boosters are the brand from Restylane. Juvederm have the brand Volite. Again, they have different, you know, reason why we would use one or the other, but they're usually more superficial. And when you're talking about something that's more superficial, usually they don't last as long. So a product like this one usually would require maybe a series of treatment. Would last 3-4 months, but I found, like, seriously, if you're using the product, you come like 2 or 3 times every 3-4 months, the product will last much longer. But so overall, I would say that dermal filler can last anywhere from 6 months to over 2 years. It really depends on where you're injecting it and the product use, definitely. So the less movement you have, the longer the product will work, that's for sure. And then if we inject in a place that doesn't move often, we're trying to replace bone structure, so the product is more solid. It's all about cross-link. I mean, I don't want to go too much in detail. I just wanted to kind of explain how dermal filler work and how long they're going to last. So I hope this helped you understand a little bit better about dermal filler. If you have any question, please comment below. I love answering all your questions. Go see the Facebook group. That's where I get my ideas for those videos, and I think it's awesome when you guys send me questions. We also have virtual consultation if you're if you would like to learn more about your skin, or you're interested in treatment at our clinic, reach out. So thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.